Let me say something that most teams don't want to hear. Your data platform is not failing, your architecture is. And until you are not going to understand this, you would keep chasing the tools, but nothing is going to get improved. Hi there, this is Ajay Kumar, this is BI Consulting Pro, and here we help you to grow in your professional career. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about the core challenges that most of the data and AI teams are facing, and that is the architecture. When things go wrong, what usually teams say? Let's change. We need a better tool. Let's switch to Microsoft Fabric. Let's use Databricks, etc. So they migrate, and after a couple of months, again, they started facing the same issues. Why? The core reason lies in the designing part. So they migrate. New platform, new pipelines, new dashboard. But after a couple of months, they face the same issues. However, they are not working on the right design. And then they call it a data platform. But that's not an architecture. That's just an accumulation. If your system is just a collection of different components, then it's never gonna scale. Now the real question is, what architecture really means? A real architecture is decisions. Decisions about how data flows, how logic's defined, how consistency maintained, and lastly, and how system evolve. The real layers are, number one, data flows. That means, what is the source of your data? How it's going to move across the different environments. Second is business logic, where you would find the different kinds of transformations, rules, and also definitions. Third layer is about consumption, which is going to happen via dashboards, APIs, or maybe AI. If these are not aligned, no tools can save you. And here's the core part. Most systems don't fail because of scale. They fail because of inconsistency. Inconsistency, that means different definitions, duplicated logic, and disconnected layers. And when this happens, trust breaks. And when trust breaks, the entire platform loses value. Let me be direct. The problem is not Microsoft Fabric. Problem is also not about Databricks or any other tool. The real problem is that most of the teams are optimized for consistency. The core problem is lack of architectural thinking. People optimize for speed, delivery, or maybe quick wins, instead of correctness, clarity, and long-term design. So next time when something breaks, don't ask which tools we are using, but what kind of architecture is there. Because great platforms are not built with tools. They are built with decisions, structure, thinking, and that's what makes them scale.